This ENA Platinum spark plug and ignition coil pack set delivers noticeably smoother starts and stronger throttle response on aging Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury V8 engines. The matched set of 8 coils and 8 plugs is tuned to work together, which helps reduce misfires and rough idle compared with mixing random replacement parts. Owners of older 4.6-liter and 5.4-liter modular engines will appreciate how this kit restores lost power and drivability without needing performance modifications. Build quality is solid for a daily driven vehicle, with sturdy coil housings and platinum-tipped plugs that hold up well to extended highway use. Compatibility coverage is broad across many full-size sedans, sport utility vehicles, and trucks from the late 1990s and early 2000s, making it a practical one-box solution for multi-vehicle garages. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with basic engine work, and having all components in one kit saves time tracking down individual part numbers.